Now we're recording. Hey! So I'm always on Instagram and I love this artist. Her Instagram is Pale Canvas. She's amazing. I've been looking at this for like literally forever. So I asked you guys if I should try this. And all y'all said yes. Except for like a little bit of you. Who are you? Who said no? I see you. Hannah, what the heck? Anyway, so you guys said yes, so we're gonna do it. I am gonna try to do this look right here. And I have no idea what I'm doing. So I have a cup of water, I have my Noir Fatale, and we're gonna do this. So I really don't know how to do this technique at all. Like at all. That's the end of that story. Oh my god, this is like stressful. Okay, I'm gonna take a spoolie and I'm really gonna do the purple shade. I'm gonna just put it on my palette, which is my table. Do not judge me. Maybe we'll show you what I'm doing on the counter before I try to do this. So now I'm gonna dip my brush in the water, right in there, get her nice and wet, and then I'm just gonna try to get some of this pigment wet with the water. This is like pretty anti-hydrous or whatever, so it's hard to mix water into this powder. It's hydrophobic, that's the word I'm looking for. Okay, so I really don't know what I'm doing. Now I think I'm gonna test out a little bit on my hand to see if it's like what I want. And does that build up? It doesn't build up very well. Okay, but another way I want to try this is by grabbing the powder, putting it on. Put it on, and then like I'll really pack this and I'll put down a sticky primer. There's nothing on my hand, so then grab water and like blend it out, kind of.
She said the girl that she wanted.
I think.
Everyone changes their names.
I don't know. How do they do this?
Always like,
I think it's adding layers. I have literally no idea. We're gonna try it on the face now. So I'm just using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I'm gonna pop that on my lid and blend her out. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and throw, because I want the lid pretty dark as far as pigment goes. So I'm really I'm gonna show you me messing up instead of just cutting it out completely. But don't follow along because this is incorrect. Like it's really messy. No rhyme or reason. I just want the lid space to be like dork, you know? Okay, that works for now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get it wet a little bit. Why did I choose the I Am Blind in to do this? To start this off. Okay. Alright. I kind of feel it. Nope, I messed it up. I messed it up. Oh no. I already fudged up. Okay. Nothing's broken. Too broken to fix. Promise. Absolutely incorrect. It literally looks like it's just like dripped. Like, and then she just let it like fill up with water and drip. Kind of. Maybe we're getting close. So I'm just like taking, this one's like full of the powder and then this one has like just water on it. And I keep dabbing it off. Okay, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna continue to try this. Okay, okay. Alright. Ah, it's in my eye. Update, I don't do any like painting or watercoloring. I don't know what I'm doing. It just looks like I'm crying. Okay, let's go into a smaller brush. And gonna tap her in. And then we're gonna take the wet brush. Pat it out. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. I don't think I did a very good job. Okay. Bro. I hate it. I hate it. Officially. I'm gonna try this eye. Where are you going? Trying to do this. I don't think I did a very good job.
Make you say that.
I don't like it.
You're solid.
I am.
Go.
One or the other eye, the one that I can see out of.
That's it. You need to put
Where are you
yourself
going?
out. I'm going.
Alright kids, let's start this over. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, conceal my entire eye just like I did before, and get back into this. But before that, I had to draw on my eyebrow because It just looks really weird without it. And I want the placement of the pigment to be framed by the eyebrow and not have to frame my eyebrow around that later, if that makes sense. So now I'm taking a super light amount of the pigment and a lot of water. If you didn't see it, just dripped down my face. But I'm not wearing foundation for just that reason. But I'm just gonna pat this on in layers. So that was my game plan going into this. I was just gonna go for layers. So I'm like really trying to keep and allow the pigment to kind of naturally build, if that makes sense. And I am a pro this entire time at being in frame. So I'm just very gently dabbing all that pigment right on in.
Okay, this is about layers. I see now. Guess. I don't know. I'm just guessing everything about this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm using a flap of cardboard to fan my face. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Okay. And you could say I'm nervous. You could definitely say I'm nervous. Okay, see, now we're getting somewhere. See, there we go.
Improvement. You live and you learn.
It's about not being a heavy-handed bitch, which I cannot relate to. What smells like peanut butter? Okay, I'm feeling it.
So I'm just gonna continue on trying to slowly layer this up into what I want it to look like. Sorry that most of this is out of frame. I am just a trash panda.
Everyone in my video.
Now I'm just trying to build up the color on my eyelid, very lidded area. And now I'm going back out of frame, so what am I even doing? Drawing that one chunky layer, and then we're gonna go on to eyeliner. I'm using a marker, so a felt tip liner, and I'm just drawing super rough lines to look like kind of veins in the rock. And I did the entire thing out of frame. Literally, the whole thing. Anyway, so I'm using a combination of the black felt marker liner, the purple felt marker liner, and a brown, just to give like a little bit more definition. This one's the brown. You can kind of see it, but it actually adds so much in person that is so pretty. So it just adds a little extra. Don't want to be super precise with this, so I'm like using heavy-handed but then light, and then just mixing in between. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a nice purple wing to finish out this look. I went ahead and tight lined my eye with some black liner. Well, black liquid. And then I'm going to go ahead and give some highlights to this look using my glitter liner. It's amazing. I freaking love this stuff. It's so great. It goes exactly where you want it to be, like so precise, and then it just stays there. Didn't have any problems. Besides the focus of my camera. Alright, popping on a bit of mascara. You know we're putting on those lashes, and then I'm going to finish up the other side off camera.
It looked like a superhero for some reason. Like this is a mask. Anyway, this is the finished product. Don't look at my hair. Just ignore her. Don't look at it. Let's zoom you in, I guess. There she is. Why does this give me like superhero vibes? Does it give you superhero vibes?
Low key.
Like,
Hell yeah.
it just needs like a little connector and then it's a mask.
Please do that before you take it off.
Queen Geode, right? Okay, anyway, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my sporadic and spastic tutorial because I had no idea what I was doing, but we got here, so that's all that matters. Have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel. I make new videos whenever the hell I feel like it, and I do not post consistently at all. But I'm here. So anyway, have a great day. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!